Calacone Island, Guiuan, Eastern Samar, Philippines. Off the eastern purpose of Samar Island, one can see an island which is honored with white sand seashores, equatorial jungle, saltwater tidal ponds and many caverns. Calacone Island is considered as the gem of the Pacific coast and an ideal heaven to the individuals who need to have an extraordinary caper outside the city. Calacone Island is essential for the town of Guiuan in the region of Eastern Samar. It is limited by the Pacific Sea on the east and the Leyte Inlet on the west. The region has rich biodiversity. One can see fascinating animal categories, for example, civet felines and macaque monkeys. Since the island is confronting the Pacific Sea, it is most popular as a riding center point. Riding lovers rush the zone during the yearly riding rivalry called the Odyssey Waves Public Riding Rivalry. The prime riding zone at Calacone Island is the ABCD Seashore, which extends along 2 hotels. The seashore brags of both left-hand and right-hand waves that are helpful for surfing. Riding season at the territory begins on April and closes on November. The best and ideal opportunity to pick up surfing at Calacone Island is throughout the mid-year months when waves range from a few feet, while the last a very long time of April to November offer greater and all the more testing waves. Besides surfing, there are other cool exercises in the island. One can investigate the tremendous virgin woods of Calacone, which is encircled by untainted white sand seashores. The island is open through the Pagnamitan Scaffold, which is associated with the principal region of Guiuan. Like different islands ran by vacationers, nearby or unfamiliar, one can visit longer and relish the superb landscapes of Calacone Island by remaining on retreats situated in the region like the well-known Surf Camp Hotel and Calacone Manors Resort. The Surf Camp Hotel is arranged in ABCD Seashore, which is an ideal tropical escape for sightseers and voyagers. The hotel furnishes guests with rich facilities on bungalows that are motivated from Thai, Balinese, Indonesian and Filipino design. All bungalows are cooled and furnished with heated water, minibar, satellite television, security store box and radio. Surf Camp Retreat is additionally known for its boundlessness pool with an exceptional perspective on the Pacific Sea. The retreat additionally offers surf exercises where surfboards are accessible for lease. The Calacone estate offers travelers with cooled rooms and houses for convenience. One can likewise enlist engine bicycles and solicitation for a ride on a minibus for an air terminal exchange when guests require. There are other network comforts like yoga retreat, fishing, and cavern investigating. One can likewise appreciate swimming in the new water pool and can have their dinner at the hotel's eatery. Guests who need to have more moderate dinners can purchase at Sari Sari stores close by. Thank you for watching MMTE channel. Hope you like the video. Please don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Keep safe and have a good day.